Strategy ka pa rin ba sa negosyo mo?
Bastos.
Gusto mo bang mag-do it yourself and do tae? Or magpa-coach and have sarap?
Paano?
Ito ang two common reasons bakit tayo hindi nagpapa-coach. First reason, dahil mahal magpa-coach.
Sobrang mahal.
Second reason, dahil wala kang oras for coaching. This video is my appreciation post to all our coaches and mentors from the recent Content Mastery Bootcamp of House of Creatives. So first reason bakit ayaw mong pa-coach is dahil wala kang pera.
Inimbento ko na lang po siguro yun.
Tandaan mo, buddy, the best investment in your business is on yourself. Kailangan may laman ito at ito para di ka laging iniiwan ng opportunities at customers.
Pagod na ako!
Pero, if you lack financial resources, then you can be creative. Pwede namang exchange service for service or do collaboration. And remember, kapag nagnegosyo ka na walang tamang guidance, pwedeng masunog lahat ng puhunan mo. Yung perang tinipid mo para sa coaching, eventually mo uubos din dahil sa misguided decisions mo.
Matalino akong tao eh.
Second reason kaya ayaw mo pa-coach is dahil wala kang sapat na oras for coaching sessions. Pero, if you do trial and error, hindi ba mas madaming oras kang sasayangin? Ang value ng coaching is handing you a template with a structured approach and readily available plan para hindi trial and error ang discussion mo. With this, ilang years of mistakes at ilang timbang luha at pawis ang matitipid mo kasi natuto ka na sa ilang years of experience ng mentors and coaches mo.
Ilang taon na naman ang buhay ko yung sasayangin ko.
To end, let me borrow the words of St. Paul to the Romans. And how shall they believe of him of whom they have not heard? And how shall they hear without a preacher? That verse pertains to people not believing to the teachings of Christ kasi walang nagturo sa kanila.
Lakas magpa-guilty ah.
Sa coaching perspective naman, how will you believe na posible mong makuha yung mga pangarap mo kung walang magkukwento sa'yo ng mga tao na nakarating na doon sa buhay na pinapangarap mo? Sa atin lang to. One of our coach can earn in a year what an average Filipino family can earn in 200 years. Gusto mo rin ba yon?
Gusto ko. OMG.